In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to launch Gallery app and tap on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Either way, when you find all of your pictures to get rid of, hold one of them and use those icons at the top right corners to select multiple right away. If you wish to keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones, and if you don't, tap on Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!